Welcome to our Less Than 10 Animals Left series, where we spotlight the world's most critically endangered species. These remarkable creatures are on the brink of extinction, and their stories are a call to action for all of us. Join us as we explore their unique traits, the challenges they face, and the urgent need for conservation efforts to ensure their survival. Animal number 6, Javan Rhino, Rhinoceros sondaicus. The Javan rhino is among the rarest large mammals, with approximately 76 individuals surviving exclusively in Ujung Kulon National Park, Java, Indonesia. Once widespread across Southeast Asia, their numbers have plummeted due to poaching and habitat loss. These rhinos are solitary and elusive, making population monitoring challenging. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection and anti-poaching measures. However, the species remains critically endangered, with their limited range making them vulnerable to natural disasters and disease outbreaks. WorldWildlife.org. Animal number 7, Northern Hairy-Nosed Wombat, Lasiorhinus krefftii. The Northern Hairy-Nosed Wombat is one of the world's rarest marsupials. In the 1980s, their population dwindled to just 35 individuals in a single location. Through dedicated conservation efforts, including habitat protection and predator exclusion fencing, their numbers have rebounded to over 300. They now inhabit 2 secure sites in Queensland, Australia. Despite this success, they remain critically endangered, facing threats from habitat loss and climate change. Animal number 8, Alagoas Foliage-Gleaner, Philydor novaesi. The Alagoas Foliage-Gleaner was a bird endemic to Brazil's Atlantic forest. Known for its elusive nature, it was last reliably observed in 2011. Extensive deforestation and habitat fragmentation have led to its critical endangerment, with some experts fearing it may now be extinct. Conservationists continue to search for any remaining individuals, but the outlook remains grim. Animal number 9, Northern White Rhinoceros, Ceratotherium simum cottoni. The Northern White Rhinoceros is functionally extinct, with only 2 females, Najan and Fatu, remaining at Kenya's Ol Pejeta Conservancy. Both are unable to carry pregnancies. Conservationists are employing advanced reproductive technologies, including in vitro fertilization, using stored sperm from deceased males and eggs from Fatu, aiming to implant embryos into surrogate southern white rhinos. Despite these efforts, the species' future hangs in the balance. Animal number 10, Saola, Pseudoryx nghetinhensis. The Saola, dubbed the Asian unicorn, is one of the most enigmatic and endangered large mammals. Discovered in 1992, it inhabits the Annamite Mountains of Laos and Vietnam. Due to its elusive nature, population estimates are uncertain, but it's believed that fewer than 250 individuals remain. Threats include habitat loss and poaching. No Saolas exist in captivity, and sightings are exceedingly rare, making conservation efforts challenging. Animal number 11, Alagoas Antwren, Myrmotherula snowi. The Alagoas Antwren is a critically endangered bird endemic to Brazil's Atlantic forest. With an estimated population of fewer than 30 individuals, it faces imminent extinction due to habitat destruction and fragmentation. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation and restoration, but the species' survival remains uncertain. Animal number 12, Orange-bellied Antwren, Terenura sicki. The Orange-bellied Antwren, or Six Antwren, is a critically endangered bird endemic to Brazil's Atlantic forest, specifically in the northeastern states of Pernambuco and Alagoas. This small bird is notable for the male's striking orange underparts and the females' rufous back and rump. Its estimated population is between 50 and 250 mature individuals, and it faces significant threats from habitat loss due to deforestation. Conservation efforts include habitat protection and restoration, but the species' future remains uncertain. Number 13, Spade-Toothed Whale, Mesoplodon traversii. The spade-toothed whale, Mesoplodon traversii, is among the most enigmatic marine mammals. First identified in 1874, it has never been observed alive in the wild. All known specimens have been found stranded on beaches, with the most recent discovery occurring in 2024 on a New Zealand beach. This specimen provided scientists with a rare opportunity to study the species' anatomy and genetics, offering insights into its diet, habitat, and overall biology. Despite these findings, much about the whale's behavior, reproductive habits, and population size remains a mystery. Conservation efforts are challenging due to the lack of data on its population and ecology. The spade-toothed whale's rarity underscores the vast unknowns that still exist in our understanding of marine biodiversity. As we conclude our less than 10 animals left series, we've journeyed through the stories of some of the world's most critically endangered species. From the elusive spade-toothed whale to the resilient northern hairy-nosed wombat, each of these animals faces unique challenges that threaten their survival. Their stories are not just tales of struggle but also of hope, resilience, and the power of conservation efforts. While the road ahead is fraught with challenges, the efforts to protect these species remind us that extinction is not inevitable. With continued awareness, support, and action, we can ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to roam our planet for generations to come. Subscribe to follow the rest of the extinction series and stay informed about the species we're losing, and the ones we might still save.